You just watched truth. If you don't agree with this truth, then you follow the path of egotism. Remember, egotism will lead to a world of torture. Just look at your parents and how ignorant they were, not understanding mirror neurons or what a curious mind means. Do you understand that humans, including kids, replicate what they see authority figures do? Picture this. A parent punishes their kids because the kid did something the parent didn't like. Instead of understanding that a curious mind is always in search of the logical truth behind everything, to protect itself from being a sheep to anyone with authority, status, or money, who tries to convince them to commit selfish behavior that could hurt others. The parent neglects this and feels superior, resulting in refusing to explain themselves with logic, but instead asking for complete obedience by using intimidation tactics, violence, and cruelty to inflict fear upon their kids, making them obey their rules without questioning, but with total authoritarian submission. Now, the kids believe we are merely animals and don't have to think, but just be the strongest to make others obey us. So the kid goes to school with this egotistical mindset and replicates what he saw his parents portray to him with another peer at school, then faces backlash from the teacher, portraying him as a kind of criminal, while all he did was replicate exactly what his parents and even the government with their imprisonment showed him to do. But here, once his parents get called, he witnesses the hypocrisy firsthand. Instead of the parents defending the child's behavior by stating that he did exactly what they taught him to do, when they are stronger than those who did not want to give them complete submission and obey their rules, he sees his parents act ignorant and reject having taught this behavior to their kids. They even prove the hypocrisy again by showing that same violent behavior towards him, but now the parent gets away with it, similar to how the government gets away with nearly anything. What do you think the mirror neurons of the child have learned from this example? Will the child admit when it's wrong, take accountability, and reflect upon their behavior to improve themselves? Or will it now have learned how to get away with nearly anything by lying, twisting perceptions, and refusing to take any form of accountability?